Okay, good day. So today I'm going to review a Bonaire 12-volt inflator, twin cylinder for fast inflation. I got this from Costco. Here's the unboxing. Okay. Got these things here. Take this out. Oh, we got a case here. Pretty nice case. And whoa. So this is pretty solid, pretty heavy. This is like, wow, 15 pounds or more. And this is plastic, but this is metal. Plastic, but this canister cylinder is metal. So let's see how it works when it's pumping air. So I'm out here at the parking lot right now, and I am hooking it up. So as you can see, there is some cable or hose management around the body of the compressor, so you can wrap around and have it, wrap around the compressor tightly and neatly. The power cord is quite long; it can go all the way to the back. My cigarette lighter adapter, or the socket, doesn't fit very well with this adapter, just because my socket somehow has different stuff on it. So when I turn the switch, it's not on, so I'm gonna have to go back to my car and wiggle it a little bit. Probably because of some carbon fiber trim that I have on my dash, so it makes the adapter harder to go through. So now it's on, and right now it's at 30 psi, and I'm counting the seconds. You can see in the video that the thing is vibrating. It does vibrate, but it doesn't jump all around the place. And I think because of the CMOS sensor on the phone, it's showing this really weird, strange effect of its wobbling. And the noise is not too loud, but it's not totally quiet. But it's not intrusive. It's bearable. So right now it's about 40 seconds, 40, 41, 42, and the PSI right now is at 40 PSI. So for about 45 seconds it goes up to 10 PSI. It's pretty good, pretty fast, pretty sturdy, and that's the actual usage of the compressor. Thank you.